My dog Rosie is gonna be so lonely with you guys in college.
I think you need a puppy friend.
Olivia, are you sure it's the dog who's gonna be lonely?
Yeah, we'll be visiting all the time. At least she'll be happy to see us. Not to mention, we're only one call away.
You guys have got to pay attention. I found Fergie about to wander off. You don't want to lose your new puppy. What's this?
Surprise!
It turns out Malone's last puppy had a brother.
And we figured, what's one more dog?